Chapter 5 Keyboard. To know in this chapter, what is a keyboard? Alphabet, number and special keys. Use of Shift key. Keyboard is the most important input device of the computer. It is a rectangle-shaped device that has many keys on it. When these keys are pressed, letters and numbers appear on the screen. Caps lock key, number keys, alphabet keys, backspace key, delete key, space bar key, arrow keys, enter keys. Keyboard. On programs like WordPad and MS Word, press alphabet key A on the keyboard. This will appear on screen. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. We use them to write words and sentences. Number keys. There are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. We can type our marks, roll numbers, class, etc. with the number keys. Number keys are located at two places. Above the alphabet keys, on the right of the keyboard. Special keys. Space bar key. It is located below the alphabet keys and is the longest key of the keyboard. Space bar key is used to give space between words and letters. Enter key. When enter key is pressed, the cursor moves to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard, one near the alphabet keys and the other near the number keys. In some keyboards, the enter key looks like this. On other keyboards, it looks like this. Arrow keys or cursor control keys. There are 4 arrow keys which move the cursor up and down, left and right. They are also called cursor control keys. Backspace key. This key deletes the letters or numbers located to the left of the cursor. You can also call it the eraser of the keyboard. Caps lock key. A light on the keyboard turns on when you press this key. Pressing this key lets you to type the text in capital letters. If you press the key again, the text format goes back to small case. Shift key. Pressing Shift key with other keys does different functions. For example, when you press Shift plus 5 key, percentage will appear on the screen. There are 2 Shift keys on the keyboard. One is below the caps lock key and other is below the enter key. Revise with TUK. The keyboard is an important input device. We enter data into the computer with the help of a keyboard. It has 26 alphabet keys with letters written on them from A to Z. The keyboard also has number keys placed at 2 places on the keyboard. Each set of number keys has 10 keys from 0 to 9. The longest key on the keyboard is the spacebar. It is located below the alphabet keys. Spacebar is the most used key of the keyboard. You can scroll through the contents visible on the monitor with the help of arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys: up, down, left and right.